Remove the dust box. Press the release button to empty debris into a trash bin. Open the top cover and take out the filter. Clean the filter, then reinstall it into the dust box. The dust box and filter are washable, but must be completely air-dried before reuse. Remove and open the water box. Pour out any remaining liquid. Rinse the box with clean water. Refill with clean water and securely close the rubber plug. Reinstall the water box properly into the robot.
The water tank has been installed.
Turn the robot over. Peel off the mop pad from top to bottom, then slide it left to detach completely. Rinse the mop pad and wring it dry. Align the one side of the mop pad and insert it into the bracket. Reattach the mop pad. Turn the robot over. Press the latch and lift the main brush cover upward. Remove the main brush. Remove any tangled hair on the main brush. If rinsed with water, make sure it's completely dry before use. After cleaning, reinstall the brush. Align the main brush cover and press it back into place until secure. Turn the robot over. Unscrew the side brush screw. Remove any hair or debris from the side brush and the groove. Reinstall the side brush and tighten the screw. Turn the robot over and pull the universal wheel upward to remove it. Clean off hair and debris from the wheel. Align it with the slot and press it back into place. Use a soft cloth to gently clean the LiDAR sensor, camera, edge sensor, charging electrodes, cliff sensors. Power off the station. Remove the robot from the station. Wipe the station and charging electrodes with a soft cloth. Plug the station back in and return the robot to the station.